Okay, today in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing this Bluetooth earbud by Anker. The model is r50i Soundcore by Anker. It says Soundcore by Anker, and at the side it says powerful sound via 10mm drivers, and at the back side it mentions some features like powerful sound via 10mm driver, 10-hour playtime, up to 30 hours with the charging case, AI enhanced calls via 2 mics, and IPX5 waterproof, customized experience with Soundcore apps, which you can get it on Google Play and App Store. And it mentions what's inside the box. It says, first off, Soundcore r50i earbud, charging case, small, medium and large ear tips, USB-C cable. So let's go ahead and open up this, and at the side it says incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So for the sake of video, I have already broken the seal. Let's slide it out the other way. So here, first off, you get quick start guide, and as mentioned in the box, different size ear tips, and one USB-C cable for charging, and the case. It is matte black in color. You can also get other color options. Let's open it, and here's the look. Let's give you the 360 view of the buds. And here is the LED indicator, and here is the Soundcore logo, and here are some information at the back. And also you get very sturdy strap. Let's put it inside the case. The LED glows white in color, and when you charge the case, it turns into green. There's everything to it. Let's do the fit check. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your thoughts in the comment section below. That really helps the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.